Every community has its own story. Some tell stories of growth and progress, while others quietly reveal the effects of neglect. At first, I thought environmental neglect was simply about seeing trash on the streets. But I soon realized it is much more than that. It happens when people stop caring for the environment, leading to pollution, flooding, health risks, and loss of clean, safe spaces. In the end, environmental neglect doesn't just harm nature, it affects everyone in the community.
What I can do to help? Looking around my community helps me reflect on my own role. It's easy to blame others or wait for the government to act, but the real change begins when each of us takes responsibility.
I realize that the environment reflects the way we choose to live. Every small action, whether it's throwing trash carelessly or disposing of it properly, creates an impact.
The future of our community depends on the choices we make today. As a student, I used to think that my actions were too small to make a difference. But I realized that small actions can change a great beginning.
So, how can we help? Of course, by disposing of waste properly, reducing the use of single-use plastics, recycling, conserving resources, and encouraging others to do the same. From this, I am helping build a cleaner, healthier, and more sustainable community.
Age is never a barrier to make a positive impact. Protecting the environment is not always about being perfect. It is about being responsible.
Let us care for our surroundings and inspire others to do the same, because by protecting nature, we are protecting our community and our future.